Hi friends, welcome back. I'm here at the Home Depot out in the garden center. They have new items and they have items that's on sale. So we're going to cover a little of each. The new plants here at the Home Depot are the moms. Oh yes. So this one, it is $6.98 and this is a garden mom. It needs full sun. It is the purple lavender. It gets 15 inches tall and wide. The spacing is 24 inches. Water when dry, and the habit is rounded. This one is the red. Nice. Beautiful white and yellow. The stone crop here for $19.98. Oh yes, tough. The ajuga, $6.98. This is the yucca cane for $16.98. Beautiful hanging pot is $16.98. Maiden grass, $9.98. More shrubs, 50% off. This one is the kaleidoscope abelia. It is on sale for $14.98. Oh my, the sunshine ligustrum. It is on sale for $30, and this is a 5-gallon pot. Golden oak leaf holly. The original price is $34.98, but of course it's going to be half price. And how beautiful is this holly here? It is gorgeous. The original price is $64.98. Miscanthus grass for $24.98. It'll be $12.99. The ornamental grass will be $12.99 as well. More abelia for $13.50, I would say. Proven Winners roses. It'll be $15. On Rose of Sharon by Proven Winners. It'll be $15. Hibiscus over here at the regular price, which is $34.98, and these are by Home Depot. Ooh-wee. These Rose of Sharon are beautiful, guys. $64.98. Alrighty, these moms are $17.98 in the black pot. Delphiniums are $16.98. The beautiful cone flowers. How gorgeous. They're $19.98. More grasses over here. This one is the sage for $9.98. It is a perennial, as well as the rush and the fountain grass, $17.98. And the black-eyed Susan for $16.98. A better look at the stone crop for $16.98. Rosemary for $9.98. Solosas, $9.98. Hey friends, they have these beautiful crepe myrtles. They are not even out yet, guys, but I found them. Limelight hydrangeas by Proven Winners for $39.98. These are the Bobo hydrangeas by Proven Winners, as well as the crepe myrtle and the reblooming Wagelia at the bottom, all $29.98. So we have by First Edition, these hydrangeas are the berry white. They are $36.98. Spirea, $29.98 by Proven Winners. Double play doozy spirea. Okay. The Wolf Wagelia by Proven Winners, $29.98. All right, friends, more fresh plants here at the Home Depot. That's not even out yet, but hey, we get the first peek. So the first one is going to be the Green Giant, Arborvitae. This one is a 3-gallon for $30. He looks really healthy, really healthy. Okay, so here we have Rose of Sharon, the Diana, for $24.98. Let's see, is this a rhododendron? Yes, the rhododendron for $39.98. We also have more hydrangeas by Proven Winners, and this one is the little line for $29.98. Well, yes, guys, that's what we have here at the Home Depot. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope you all appreciated the hunt for the new out here at the Home Depot. So, hey, guys, thank you so much. Thank you all for your support. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you all in the next one.